Okay, I want to show you a quick recording how to use IXL. This will be the link I'll share with you, IXL.com, if you just go there. And you might also want to put the CRSD at the end. That way it goes to the site for our school. I'm going to give you a username. It's going to have the @CRSD on it. So make sure you don't add it twice because it'll be here. Then the password I gave you, then you sign in. And it's going to give you some options here. So it's going to give you recommendations. These are things that based on your grade and so on. And if you're brand new, it's not going to know what to do. So it's just going to go by grade and such. So here's the recommendations. Also, you can choose math, you can choose language arts, science, and social studies. Don't worry about AK standards, and it gives you awards and you can keep track of them. Now, I'm showing you my daughter Mary's. She's in 6th grade, but we can change her on grades just to show you. So this is the learning part. This is where you choose what you're going to do. There's also diagnostic, where you can just take a little test to see what it helps you determine what you need to learn. You just hit step into the arena, and it'll start asking you questions. Okay. And then analytics will show you what you've done, how long you've worked on it, what you've been working on, what you've mastered here, one skill, she made progress, and it shows you practice by day, okay, and how many questions you've answered. So real quick, if we go back to here, to the learning part, you can choose what you want to work on, right? So if I go to math and I want to work on geometry, there I am. Okay, I can choose. All these are different skills that you can work on. You can just kind of pick very specific the ones you want to work on. Or if you just go to recommendations, choose one of those. Okay. And I can also suggest skills as well. And I'm going to look at Hunter and both Kira and suggest some things for them to work on. Okay. And to do this, you would just choose for the recommendations, you would just choose it, and then you would start answering it. Okay. So here you just add in 1904, so complete the sentence. William Clark was an outdoorsman and a skilled map maker and a skilled at map making, I'd say. Joined his friend. Let's see if I'm right. I'm incorrect. But you just fill in answers like that. If you get it wrong, I got it wrong here, see? So it's going to tell you why you got it wrong. And then you can go back, you say, got it. Then you can go back and do it again. Okay, so if we look at math for this as well. So here's algebra. We can do a review of algebra if we want. So like shape patterns, and you can just work through it. I gave you that list, so you probably want to look on here for geometry and see what to work on. Or you can just go with recommendations, or do the diagnostic, and it'll give you some recommendations. Okay, and this all works the same for Kira. So if I was looking at math, let's see here, real quick. If I go back to here, look, you can pick any grade over here. This 8th grade. I can go in there and it'll show me the 8th grade math skills. I can also go, there's algebra 2, pre-calculus, and calculus. So it has all these in here, and I'll go in and try to make some video or make some recommendations for them as well. But make sure you also look at the sheet I shared with you. Okay, that should do it. Hope this helps, and I'll be sending you their passwords. Talk to you soon. Bye.